here is Holly. And let me just say, first of all, this color is stunning. It is stunning. I don't think I really have anything like this. And when I first put it on, I was like, oh my gosh, this color is absolutely gorgeous. There's a little bit of a root there, which makes it more realistic. As you can see, it does have a front lace, so all you have to do is cut that. So you cut it around the forehead there. And this one is 14 inches long. This one has a left side part. So as you can see there, it's a left part. The inside of the cap is closed, wefted. So you can see there are the wefts there. And it has hook adjusters. And these adjusters are good because it gives you almost like little stations in a way. So, you know, you can hook it there, there, or back over here. Some people who have larger head circumferences even cut the little adjusters so that it makes it bigger for their head. The hair density here is 130%, very realistic. I'm gonna put it on for you and just show you what it looks like without the lace being cut. Here it is without the lace being cut. As you can see, the lace kind of goes down to my eyebrows there, and it is about a temple to temple lace front, so it doesn't go all the way to the ear tabs, which is totally fine with me. That's where I actually prefer my lace to be, temple to temple. You can see the part there, and it really does look like scalp, which I absolutely love. I'm gonna go and cut this lace, and I will be back in just a minute. Okay, I'm back. I went ahead and cut the lace. So you can see the lace front there, and it is a beautiful lace front. I might go in and trim it a little bit more, maybe. I'm going to really look at it and decide if I want to trim it. It's just a beautiful long bob. Let me turn around and show you what it looks like in the back. And I'm also going to show you the movement on this wig. It is so, so pretty. Opinion, it's just so pretty and realistic. Now, something like this I think just looks realistic and gorgeous, really just like you just came from the salon. I think my hair, I can guarantee you, would never look like this unless I had just gotten out of the salon, period, end of story. But that is my review on the beautiful Holly wig.